Oh, fam. Oh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm at home and I don't know what I'm doing because I need to post a video for you guys because
the next day
because I need to provide content for you guys, I see for you guys always for your entertainment. When you guys are bored and nothing to watch, you watch me, right? So it's lunchtime, I'm hungry, I don't know what to eat, so I don't know what to make. There's no food at home, so mom does cook, but today there's nothing to eat, just in case she scolds me later. But there's nothing to eat today, so maybe I'm gonna make something and then record it. Yeah. Update. I found 2 recipe books, so I'm gonna look through that and then I'm gonna make something for you guys. So I looked through the cookbooks and I saw that the stuff is really hard. Or sometimes I don't have the ingredients, so I've decided to make my famous, yes, I'm famous for something, tortilla wrap. Yes, I can make a tortilla wrap. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that, but mine's different from other people. I'll show you why. Yeah. So the cookbooks, we're getting rid of them. Welcome everybody to Jared's kitchen. Yeah. What is this? I don't know. But I'll get back to you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
From Jared's kitchen, guys. So today I'm making tortilla wrap. Yes, tortilla wrap. So I'm gonna show you the ingredients that I need. But first, I need to change into improv because you can't cook like this, guys. But nobody cooks like this. Let me switch. Show you guys. You gotta have the apron, PV apron, you guys. I don't know where it came from, but PV apron, yeah. But you also don't want your hair to go into the food. Yeah, come on, guys. You don't want your hair to go in the food, so you gotta wear a hairnet. Or I don't wear hairnet, guys. So I'm gonna use a bandana to do this. Give me 2 minutes. You said YouTubers can't cook, yeah? No, but you can cook, right? Cooking with Jared. I'm back. Oh, PB fam. You guys were wondering where this PB came from. I promoted for PB for a short period of time. Yeah, so PB. Anyways, let's get into cooking. So to cook a tortilla wrap, you need a tortilla, right? Yeah. So go to your local market or Pick and Pay, Checkers, Woolworths, whatever, and get yourself a wrap. Yeah, simple as that. That's what you need. If you don't have that, you can't make a tortilla wrap. I'm sorry for all you guys that clicked on this to make a tortilla wrap, but unfortunately, if you don't have a tortilla wrap, you can't make one. Yeah, sorry guys. So next thing you need, guys, is tortilla wrap. Then you need chicken fillets. Then you need lettuce. Lettuce, guys, lettuce. Then you need a tomato. Tomato, yep. And you could or you could not use some cheese. Yep. Then the next important thing that makes my tortilla wrap special compared to other people's is the sauce. Yes, you need a sauce. So I'm going to show you that now.
नी मियां तो कुछ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ
If you guys got the music, you got the joke, yeah. The last one, if you guys didn't get it, you stupid.
You stupid.
No, I'm kidding. But let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is thaw the chicken and then marinate. I'm gonna do that now. So I defrosted the chicken. Yeah. So now I'm gonna marinate it. Then I'm gonna show you what to marinate it with. Yeah.
Good times never seem so good ਨੀਮੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਚੀਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਐਵੇਂ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ
So guys, you take the salt, you take the salt, you put it there. Take the pepper. I don't put too much pepper because you're gonna know it's not taste bad. Then you massage it. Yeah. So what? Massage it. Then I need a tablespoon. What do other people call chili powder? Comment down below. I forgot what it was. If you guys don't know what chili powder is, it's the thing, yeah, that makes the food hot. Yeah. So don't put too much, cause then your bum will burn. Okay? Don't put too much. Then you put it. You put the chili powder, and then you mix it, and then you massage it, right? Ooh. I put too much on one side. Yeah. Chili powder. This looks spicy. I ain't gonna lie. You take the chicken after you massaged it. Then you put it into the pan that I put already on stove with oil. Or spray and cook, whichever one you guys prefer. And then put the stove on, of course. If you didn't, you good, fam? Right? Chicken in.
Got him! Got him!
That's a basic technique that everyone needs to learn. Otherwise, you're gonna get burnt, right? And watch my hand. Guys, remember, keep the pan on low heat. Otherwise, it's gonna cook on the outside, it's not gonna cook on the inside. Basic tips from Jared. So guys, I think the chicken's done. But just to be sure, if you wanna check if the chicken is done, you need to cut it. Yeah, cut it first, and then if it's pink inside, then it's not done. Yeah, fam, you see that? Perfect chicken. Perfect. Follow Jared Naidu. Yeah, like and subscribe. So the chicken is done, and I took out the henna because it's getting too hot. So what you need to do now is take one of the tortilla wraps, right? You need to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then take it out afterwards. Simple. Hey. So that's done. We got the tortilla wrap. It's hot. Woo! Yeah, it's hot. So then what you need to do next is put the sauce. Yeah, let's go. Oh, it's hard to do one hand. If you like a lot of mayonnaise, put your mayonnaise, fam. Nobody's stopping you. Go for it. So you don't have to put it all over because you're gonna wrap it up. It's all gonna come toward the center. Life hack, guys. Tortilla life hack. Then next, what you need to do is put the main sauce, is the secret ingredients, which is the Nando sauce and then the African sauce. Take the Nando sauce, pour it, don't put too much though. But it's also mild because my family don't like hot. Shame. Enough. So you put the sauce, then you mix it up. Ooh. So guys, you probably wonder what's next. The next is the lettuce. So what you need to do is make sure you wash the lettuce first. Kill all the bacteria, fam. Kill them. Kill them with kindness. So wash them. Yeah. So you place your lettuce. I don't put all one time. I put some, and then I put some on top of the chicken afterwards. You will see just now. Boom. So that guys, chicken. You know what? No, this is potato. But you know what's missing? Tomato, fam. You need to put the tomato, and then we'll close it up, and then it's a tortilla wrap. So we just wait for the tomato. Boom. Tomato, fam. See that? Then you close it up with the lettuce. Boom. Boom. And then try and do this one hand. It's gonna be tough. Like that. Fold it. Fold it. Boom. And then you turn it around, and then there's your wrap. Time for some cinematics. So guys, that's how you make a tortilla wrap. So what's the most important thing to in order to make a tortilla wrap is for it to be nice. So time for me to taste it. It looks good, I won't lie. Oh fam. That's good, fam. That's very good. If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below if you want to see more cooking videos. I don't know, it wasn't planned, but I just did it. I need another bite. I feel like I'm on MasterChef or something.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich, Chef Ramsay.
Yo. Wet. Good Chef Hunter. So, make sure you like and subscribe. If you guys like this video, like it. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Also, if you want to see more cooking videos, make sure you comment down below or get this video to 50 likes. Hey. So guys, 2019, big moves. Let's get it.
ਨੀਮੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਚਿਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ